effortless, it should be smooth, there should be no resistance in between, and that's exactly how it happened.
Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a Mind Body Spirit video.
Hello everybody, my name is Suyash, you're watching Mind Body Spirit. Today's Law of Attraction success story is super inspiring, and I know for a fact I do interact with a lot of you guys. I know for a fact that this is something that's a problem with a lot of people, that you want to marry someone but your family is not happy with it. It's like different intensities of being unhappy. Just being unhappy is on one spectrum. The other extreme would be to just not allow you to get married to the person you want to marry. It's a little absurd, to a lot of people who don't live in India. They feel, how is this even possible? But it is something that's a reality, and a lot of people are actually going through this. So I'm sure that this success story will be inspiring to a lot of those people and to everyone else, because ultimately it's a great Law of Attraction success story. So give this video a like and let's get started. So today's success story has been sent to me by the contributor on email. She herself has named the success story Life Changed, and she writes, "Hi Suyash, would be unfair if I start this without thanking you. I have known about the Law of Attraction since I was in school and manifested millions of small things. But your success stories are a big booster. Have watched all your success stories. Thank you so much for this magical work you are doing for our society. I would be glad if you share my success story with the Mind Body Spirit family." So there are many big manifestation stories piled up. Ha ha ha. She has written the haha, but would share the greatest and life-changing ones. Since all my phases of life, I have been very, very lucky. I just get everything very easily, all credit to the Law of Attraction and the universe. But there was this one thing which just seemed to be so difficult and scary to me, despite the fact that I know how to manifest it. So here it goes. I was in a relationship with a guy since 5 years and have known him since 7 years. We both were very sure about our future together, but due to some personal issues, it was very difficult to convince at my home because of some negative history. So there is some negative history with her family and this guy. We don't know what exactly it is, but some negative history because of which the family, the contributor, the girl's family, was not really happy with this match. It was very difficult to convince at home because of some negative history. I just did not know where to start and how to convince them. I always used to think how amazing it would be if my family just got convinced without any efforts. Even just imagining that got me into tears. So she actually was feeling this, and there was so much feeling, so much emotion when she was thinking this. Even just imagining it got me into tears. So one fine day, I just decided to picture one situation in detail, that he visits my home very casually. He is talking to my parents. We just spend time with my family, playing games, going out. I don't know, I just knew it will happen. Universe will make that happen for me. Even if it has to make the world upside down, but for me it will happen. So immense belief, really having a lot of feeling, and this immense belief that she has that the universe may have to put the world upside down, but for me it is going to make it work. Months went by, I just continued and left everything on the universe. I stayed happy as I am always. You won't believe, Suyash, what happened to my life. It gives me goosebumps and so much of happiness that I didn't sleep for a week just because I was so happy. After my brother got married, my parents were thinking about me. One fine day, they just said casually, as if nothing had happened in the past, "Hey, are you still in contact with that guy?" I was shocked. I said, "Yes, we are friends." I didn't know what to say. My mom said, "Can we think about him?" Oh my God, my blood circulation just stopped. How come she just asked me that casually about him with such a bad history? I just jumped and said, "Yes, of course." I called him and I cried on the phone. She was so happy. It was just exactly what I had imagined. My life just turned into a mountain of happiness. Both the families met. Also, he too had his life sorted by then. Everything just went so smoothly that I still cannot believe it. I thanked the universe a million times and did not sleep for a week. I'm actually concerned. Why is she not sleeping for a week? But then she has written, "I slept but not that well." Alright. Now we are engaged and going to get married. Now we are engaged and going to get married. Universe treats everyone like its kids. You ask and you will receive the exact thing. Thank you so much. Please share my story with everyone. So if someone is in my shoes, they can get inspiration. Gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. That's how she has ended the success story. What a great success story. How everything happened just like, she had imagined it. How she had actually imagined that it should be effortless. It should be smooth. There should be no resistance in between. And that's exactly how it happened. So the exactness of the manifestation compared to her vision and that belief that she had, I think it's a perfect match, and that's what's so great about this success story. Alright, so let me know down below what you think about this success story. Give this video a like. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And to get the maximum benefit out of these law of attraction success stories, watch a few success stories every day. Make these success stories a part of your daily schedule, and what will happen is your belief will increase. You'll just be this happier, more positive, more focused on abundance kind of a person, and that will have a direct impact on the results that you get with the law of attraction. And to help you do that, right now on your screen will be the link to a playlist containing all videos of this series that I've posted till now. So go ahead right now, watch a few more of these videos, watch these videos every day and notice the difference.